$17 profit in just 6 minutes. Discover the power of simplicity. Witness a $17 profit in just 6 minutes with my live trading strategy. Are you tired of overcomplicated trading strategies that promise the moon but deliver nothing but frustration? It's time to switch gears and embrace simplicity. Join me as I unveil a forex trading strategy so simple yet so effective that it generated a $17 profit in just 6 minutes. This isn't your typical trading approach filled with confusing jargon and complex indicators. It's a straightforward, no-nonsense strategy designed to help you make quick and consistent profits without all the unnecessary fluff. And the best part? You can watch me apply it live. During the live demonstration, I'll walk you through every step of the process, explaining the rationale behind each decision. You'll see firsthand how easy it is to implement this strategy and start seeing results almost immediately. No more second-guessing or analysis paralysis, just clear, actionable steps that lead to profits. But don't just take my word for it. Join me live and witness the power of simplicity in action. Whether you're a seasoned trader looking to simplify your approach or a newcomer eager to learn the ropes, this strategy is perfect for traders of all levels. So if you're ready to ditch the complexity and start making real progress in your trading journey, don't miss this opportunity. Join me live and learn how to turn $17 into a profitable trade in just 6 minutes. It's time to trade smarter, not harder, and this simple forex trading strategy is your ticket to success.